For Formula One McLaren racer Jenson Button, driving is far safer than in the days of Niki Lauda or Ayrton Senna. But anybody might reasonably assume he's more likely to need a doctor than a doctor is to need him. But they'd be wrong. It turns out that thanks to some clever chicanery and digital wizardry, trying to take the checkered flag first can advance medical science, and McLaren are at the cutting edge of making that happen. In 1969, when McLaren's founder was racing in this, there were only really two ingredients to success: the quality of the car and the quality of the driver. Nowadays, there's a third thing: research. Now these days, at the top end, that means being able to take vast amounts of data very, very fast, so much so that you can actually apply it during the race. And there is no intrinsic reason why, if you can harvest that kind of data from a moving racing car, you can't take it from the human body. Doing just that is potentially putting us on the road to recovery, but also putting doctors firmly in control not only of diagnosing illnesses in humans as a species, but within you as an individual, and therefore engineering care for you as a specific machine in the race of life.
The opportunity in the technology is not only to predict events before they occur, but to personalise treatment, so not doing what's best for the population, but what's best for you, but more importantly, keep you out of expensive healthcare environments and in your home environment where you could potentially be monitored and action be taken without ever having to step inside a hospital.
Good morning.
This is in initial testing in a pilot project at Birmingham Children's Hospital called the Real-Time Adaptive and Predictive Indicator of Deterioration, or RAPID. See what they did there. The government's Life Sciences Minister insists it's not a quirky one-off, but part of lots of new ways technology can help the NHS.
You're going to see diagnostic digital monitoring. We're going to have electronic health records. We're going to want hospitals where when you arrive they know who you are before you get there and they've got your medicines prepared for you and personalised. And an NHS, a digital NHS that's able to monitor and measure performance and safety across the whole system.
The thing that's likely to slow such advances down is patients realising to make it work, their confidential health data needs to be stored and easily accessible by the NHS. Rightly or wrongly in the past, that's tended to slam on the brakes of such ideas.